No, not yet.
Where are we at?
On Sandy Hill.
Sandy Hill here. First Landing Park.
First Landing Park. Claim the stake.
We claimed our stake
Claim our stake right here.
on Sandy Hill,
On Sandy Hill.
the hill of sand.
Hill of sand. That's it right here, fam. The hill of sand. Look at this. Oh man. Sandy Hills is working out real lovely.
Absolutely. Even got up in the trees here in Sandy Hills.
Enjoying a little bit of nature this evening.
Yes, indeed. It's where we come from. That's where we all be back at. That's where we from. Right here in it.
Yeah. Oh, look here. Look at Monkey.
Oh yeah.
He's doing it without his shoes on. Look at this.
Absolutely. All the better.
Oh yeah, baby.
I think mom's next.
Oh yeah.
She's the only one that ain't got it yet. I can see mom doing it though.
Oh yeah.
She climbed that big old tree down there to
Yes,
the
indeed. I
park.
seen her. I seen her up that climbing tree. Look, family. Still climbing trees, baby. Mama. No, you the boy. Get your tail out that tree. Hey, you gonna fall and break your neck? No, Mama. I got. You gave me two sets of hands. I got these hands. I got these hands. I just left the tail, so I cut my tail off. Oh yeah, this is lovely right here. Let's take it way back right here now. Oh yeah.
You know those two limbs that's coming off of there, they don't look like they're part of that tree, do they? They look different somehow.
Yeah. They do.
I guess they are part of it though, this newer. Yep, we've claimed our stake
Yes, indeed we have.
here at the First Landing
Landing.
State Park.
Virginia Beach. The beach about what? About a mile and a half, about a mile that way?
Yep, this is nice.
Now you hear nothing but the nature.
Wow. Nothing but nature. Love it. Gotta love it, family. Gotta love what you do and do what you love.
Mm-hmm. Love what we do and do what we love.
Out here feeling the bugs, hearing the bugs. Now the bugs ain't bothering us tonight. We came up with a pretty decent little concoction here for the
Oh yeah.
bug repellent, and seems to be working excellent. So
Yeah.
With a lot of additive. That added a whole lot of good stuff that, man, just that name alone, he really did a good job on this family.
Yeah.
Real good job. I
Yeah,
love
you
the
want
way
to tell
it's
them
made.
what you put in it?
yeah, can't tell them everything we put in it. Then it wouldn't be a secret family recipe then. But you know, a little bit of rosemary essential oils put in there. You know, a little bit of eucalyptus tree essential oils in it. Some neem.
Oh yeah.
And just name a few.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
it's awesome too. We've
Those are
been
the
out
main.
here.
There's a couple others in there too. Like I said, I'm not gonna tell everybody everything.
Exactly.
Lead you in the right direction though.
Exactly.
And it works great. Been tore up the last few times we came out here. And, it was time to put an end to it.
Exactly.
So we came up, we took a baseline product already and we just amplified it, didn't we, Have
Yes, indeed we did.
And
Yes,
it's a
indeed
lot
he
better.
did. He amplified it. That's gonna be in it, fam. I think this is gonna definitely be the propellant for sure. Till he come up with something better.
Absolutely. We're up here on the Highlands right now. We'll get down here where we're getting ready to do our barbecue and stuff, see how the bugs are.
Oh yeah.
That's usually where they are. We're up here a little higher in the mountain right now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We just send back down in the valley here. Sun's going down, cooling off, they're coming out.
Yeah.
Hungry. Been hiding all day. They're hungry now. We're getting ready to be hungry.
Yes, indeed.
See if this stuff battles them off tonight.
Oh yeah.
True. Yeah, we'll let you know about that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Out here on Sandy Hill.
Hill of sand, hill of sand.
Our body ain't gotta. Hey, our body ain't gotta send us signal to the earth now. It's already there.
Yeah, yeah, that's right.
It's amazing. It's a white, such a white sand too.
Yeah.
For real. The only thing that's got it making this color is the organics that's decayed in the soil here.
Yeah.
That's
It's
the
showing
least
where we
stuff.
at though, cause they would probably think if I seen this on any kind of video, I would think that we actually somebody did it. But look, this is like out in the wild. This is like
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
this is
It's like
probably
that all the way down
yeah.
through there.
Yeah, it's probably was on the water at one time.
The whole ridge line's like this, ain't it?
Yeah.
All the way up it too.
So this is nothing man made for sure.
Nothing. Absolutely not. Feels nice too.
Yes, indeed it does.
Feels good. Feels good on the hands, on the feet.
Oh yeah.
And that's how cowboys used to clean their plates back in the day. There's a little bit of dry dirt on their plate.
Oh,
Throw a little
I
bit
like
of dry
that.
dirt on their plate right there and throw it around there.
And shake it on that.
Yep.
That's how they clean their plates, huh?
That's how they cleaned their plates back in the day. If it was real dry and they didn't have no water to do it with, they just used to throw some sand or some dry dirt on there and scrape it around, collect all the wet, whatever was on there that was wet off of it, and then just throw some more on there until you did it with dry sand. Eventually you just came off, clean. They
Awesome.
considered it clean.
Awesome. Yeah.
That tree basically laying down and it's still alive.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Enjoying nature at its finest.
Yes, indeed.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye. Wow. It give us back on it all the time. It give us back way more than we give it.